Oh! 25 cents.
$2.50.
Congratulations.
Oh!
I give you $2.
I don't know. Thank you.
Fill it up.
God. Are you serious right now? Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Lord Jesus, boy. No, $2.50. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, thank you, Jesus. If you only knew. Oh. $2.50, yeah.
Oh, they're nice.
Thank you, Lord. Jesus, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Wow.
Were you surprised?
Yeah.
I paid you. I lose $700 just now before. And then I paid it at the side and then
Oh my God. Thank you.
Wow. Oh, we know where you're you left the card. Where you go?
Hey. There's a bid.
Maybe he'll come back.
Oh my God. Oh, somebody come. Help me, please. How you doing, sir?
Good, buddy. How are you?
All right.
And you've had jackpots in here before, right?
No, this is my
This is your
first
first
time
one?
here.
There you
Yeah.
go. Okay, look at you.
Like I only been in Philly a day. This is my first day in Philadelphia.
There you go. All right. If I could just, let me just see your ID real quick. Florida. All right, cool. There you go, buddy. Now, can I just get your social right here? So anything over 1,200, we have to. It's taxable through the state. We'll shred that immediately in the cage. So now, with all this, do you want